What if one AI could take your text, your photos, your audio, even your existing videos, and transform all of it into a brand new, studio quality video with synchronized sound? No separate tools. No chaining models together. Just one prompt. That is exactly what Google just launched at I/O 2026. This is Gemini Omni, Google DeepMind's most ambitious AI release yet. And in the next 2 minutes, we are going to break down every single thing you need to know. At Google I/O 2026, DeepMind CEO Demis Hassabis stood on stage and said, quote, "Our new model that can create anything from any input," end quote, that is not marketing language. That is a technical statement about the architecture of Gemini Omni. And it is the most significant claim Google has made about a single model since the original Gemini launch. Let us unpack exactly what it means and why it matters for creators, developers, and businesses alike. Here is how every other AI video tool works today. You type a prompt. A text model processes it. That hands off to a video model. That hands off to an audio model. Each step loses context. Each step introduces errors. You get a result that feels disconnected. Now here is the Omni way. One model. All media types, text, image, audio, video, processed simultaneously inside a single neural network, no conversion layers. No context loss. Richer understanding. Better output. In one single pass. Demis Hassabis called Omni a step toward artificial general intelligence. Here is why. Omni is not just a video generator, it is a world model. It understands physics. It knows that objects have weight, that light behaves a certain way, that a falling object accelerates. It understands spatial relationships, depth, perspective, where things exist in three-dimensional space. It even draws from history, science, and cultural knowledge to make generated scenes feel real, grounded, and meaningful. Here is the feature that no competitor has. Conversational video editing. You type, "Create a 6-second cinematic sunrise over Tokyo." Omni generates it with audio. You type, "Change the camera to street level." Omni regenerates the same scene, same characters, from a new angle. You type, "Add gentle rain and remove the music." Done. Every prompt builds on every previous prompt. Characters stay consistent. Style stays consistent. This is not just generation, this is a full video editing conversation. So what can you actually feed into Gemini Omni? Text, images, audio recordings, existing video clips. Any combination of these, all at the same time, and the output is high-resolution video with fully synchronized audio, including dialogue with lip sync, sound effects that match what is happening on screen, background music that fits the mood, and Google's SynthID digital watermark baked in automatically for content verification. One input combination. One unified output. That is Omni. Gemini Omni launches with 3 tiers. Omni Flash is available right now through the Gemini app, Google Flow, and YouTube Shorts. This is the fastest model in the family, great for creators who need speed. Omni Pro is coming soon, higher quality output, longer clips, and API access for developers building on top of Omni. Omni Ultra is the full power tier, 4K output, avatar creation using your own face and voice, and video-to-video editing. Coming later in 2026 to Google AI Ultra subscribers. There are 4 ways to start using Gemini Omni today. Number 1, the Gemini app. Available now on Google AI Plus or Pro. Open the app, start a new conversation, and generate video directly in chat. Number 2, Google Flow. The professional tool for filmmakers and content creators. Omni Flash is live here today. Number 3, YouTube Create. Generate shorts directly inside YouTube's own app. Completely free. Number 4, Vertex AI. The Enterprise and Developer API. Pricing announced soon. Let us compare Omni directly to its rivals. GPT-4o from OpenAI handles text, image, and audio, but it cannot output video natively. Omni can, Sora 2 from OpenAI does generate video, but it costs 75 cents per second, has no conversational editing, and is currently shutting down due to losses. Omni costs far less and is actively improving. Seedance 2.0 from ByteDance has the best raw generation quality right now, but it cannot do conversational editing, and it has no free tier. Now for the honest part, because no product is perfect on day one, raw visual quality. For pure generation, Seedance 2.0 still produces smoother motion and better color grading than Omni Flash today. Omni bets on workflow over raw output, and that is a deliberate trade-off. Audio editing for existing video is still in testing. Avatars in video-to-video editing may be restricted in some countries, and the developer API is not live yet. Vertex AI access and pricing are still to be announced. Here is why Gemini Omni is genuinely significant beyond the feature list. It is the first foundation model in the world with native video output. GPT-4o does not have it. No other frontier model has it, and then there is what Nano Banana proved last year: Google can make AI go viral. Omni is their next attempt. Video is where the next 10 million users come from. If Google's bet is right, Omni does not just compete with Sora and Runway. It becomes the creative operating system for the AI era. Gemini Omni. Text, image, audio, video in. High-resolution video out. Conversational editing. Physics-aware world model. A step toward AGI. It launched on May 19, 2026. And it is available right now. If you found this breakdown useful, subscribe. We cover every major AI release the moment it drops, in plain English, no fluff, and drop a comment below. Will Gemini Omni replace your current video workflow? I read every single one. See you in the next video.